So I've always had a passion for web design and development. I actually went to school for it, graduated college in web design and development. And I built my first website when I was like 14 years old. So this is always something that I've wanted to do. We started our business in 2014. Ari's background is in video game development. So we started with video games, mobile apps, and simulations. And we did
I love it.
custom websites as well. Um, I actually started building on Wix probably over 10 years ago. So I've been using the platform for a really long time, just really love the ease of use. So we've done Wix websites, and then also starting in 2020, we kind of pivoted and started building on Editor X. So it's been a really long journey.
Did you guys start your business together? Or was that a did you meet each other then business? How did that did you guys like formulate like world domination together and be like, okay, SkS Creative came out of that? What happened exactly?
So
Or was
yeah, we kind of came up with the idea for Shadow Knight Studio. I mean, back in like 2006, 2007. We were all very passionate about video game development and just making really cool software. So that was the idea for the company a long, long time ago. It wasn't until, like Laylee said, 2014 that we really, decided like we're gonna do this. And this is gonna be cool and awesome. We're gonna do some, really amazing work after college, of course, right? But anyway. Yeah, so a lot of the stuff that Laylee was working on always intrigued me. She was top in her class in college, and I always wanted to kind of like learn from what she was able to do and see if I can
mm,
incorporate any like of the design disciplines in video game development into
yeah.
websites. Because back then websites were always really just static. They didn't really have a lot of movement, and now with like Editor X, you really have that ability to use that those techniques. So it really kind of work hand in hand, being able to bring all these disciplines together and combine them to create something really amazing in the Wix platform. But yeah,
That's
that's
crazy. So you guys literally right out of college, this was the thing. You guys have been
Yeah,
in business for a while.
for a while.
I've, ladies and gentlemen, I've been talking to these people, these two for quite some time, and I'm still getting, nuggets. Obviously, you don't get to know a person over, one or two chats, but I think that's amazing. A lot of people you hear both stories. Some people just like skip college, they do their thing, but you guys met each other in college, and you guys are just like, hey, we're we're both pretty smart. You've got this end, I've got that end. Let's put something together. Um, so that's lovely. So, one of the kind of detouring now. How was it straight out of college? How was that decision to like build an agency? Were you guys just like, let's go ahead and see what happens? Because to me that's still so early in life, and I know what it's like to try to build something, and parents and or especially at that age, I'm not
Right.
sure. Um, that's really difficult to be that young, and people in your support system, they're wanting something possibly a little bit different for you. So did you guys have any um like backlash from the support system of like, no, need job, why are you doing what you're doing? Was there any of that out of curiosity, or did you guys just go?
Thankfully, no, we have an amazing support system and family who has supported us like every step of the way, and we're just so thankful for them.
Now,
With all of our crazy adventures, they're just like, you guys can do it, and just super supportive. So I don't think we would be where we are today without our support system.
not possible
I
without
love that.
family.
I hope you guys liked this episode. If you did, you can find more build from scratch website tutorials with me right here, or you can find more Editor X tips and tricks in this playlist over here. With that said, I hope to see you guys in another video. And of course, if you liked this episode and what we're doing here on this channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.